Kind of. I'm making a video. You can't see you, but I want to show my friends you.
In the bathroom.
You're washing your hands. Fine. Yeah.
In your underwear.
They don't know that.
I'm just kidding, y'all. Homies.
I'm in my underwear with a shirt on. So we're totally having a sleepover.
Yeah, like totally.
We played 3 games so far, and out of them, Sarah cheated, and then
I have not cheated.
and we have wine glasses filled with cranberry. We have wine glasses filled with cranberry juice because we're flogged like that.
This isn't cranberry juice.
This is cranberry juice. It's non-alcoholic margarita mix. They can track you down for underage drinking. It's cranberry juice.
Oh.
It's cranberry juice.
Well, then how come it's got wine?
What? I just want to show you my best friend, and I know I'm interested while I have the chance before we go driving. Bye.